Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. V1 base form lecture. V2 past form lectured. V3 past participle lectured. V4 present par, lecturing. V5 or es or is lectures. Question 1. What is the past tense of the verb lecture? Answer. The past tense of the verb lecture is lectured. Question 2. What is the past participle of the verb lecture? Answer. The past participle of the verb lecture is lectured. Question 3. What is the present participle of the verb lecture? Answer. The present participle of the verb lecture is lecturing. Question 4. What is the third person, singular s or es or is of the verb lecture? Answer. The third person singular, ses is of the verb lecture is lectures. Thanks for watching.